Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome to my morning talk, y'all. Oh, my glasses is broke. They just fell off my lens. My lens just popped out. But whatever. Good morning, everybody. I hope y'all are having a wonderful morning this far. I've been up for a while. I've been actually this morning I didn't meditate on my word. I did not pray this morning, but I did not meditate. I got up and I made me a smoothie, y'all. I'm on this smoothie challenge for the month of April. Just trying to get back in tune with my health. I gained a lot of weight, but I was laying here and I was thinking, it's so boring. You know what I mean? Like it's so boring, and and if you really think about it, for a lot of us, we've been quarantining anyway. We always be in the house. We go to work, we come home, we go to the grocery store, we do things that's needed, and we come back in the house. We may go out sometime, but we don't be in the streets like that anyway. So it's not really hard for us. But just because they said stay in the house is an issue. You know what I mean? But as I was sitting here thinking while I was making my smoothie, this is the time to self reflect, to think about everything you've been doing so far this year. If you're not where you need to be at, if you're not where you want to be at yet, this is the fine time where you are in the house. You got all the time in the world to figure out moving forward. What do you need to do to reach your goals? What do you need to do to get to where you want to be at in life? What do you need to do to make yourself feel better? So for me, as I was sitting there thinking, I'm still with this forgiveness thing. I'm still learning how to forgive. And not only forgive, I'm learning how to love unconditionally. Because when you learn how to forgive somebody or forgive people for things that they have done to you, and you learn how to forgive yourself, after that you have to you should be okay. So after you learn how to forgive with your heart, not with your words, not with your actions, with your heart. When you forgive with your heart, the natural next thing is you will love unconditionally. And I'm in a fight with the two right now because I'm learning what forgiveness is. But what come hand in hand with forgiveness is unconditional love. So I'm learning the two at the same time. So it's really hard. It's not really that hard for me, but I'm going through the process of this because this is what I need to get to the next level of where God is taking me. I have a whole book that God told me to write last year. Woman, who are you listening to? How could I possibly write that book if I have not forgiven or forgave or is not operating in unconditional love? It will not be effective, and I will not put my hands on it until I'm spiritually ready for that. So I have to go through these. It's certain things I have to go through to get to where I'm trying to go and to where God is trying to take me. And I encourage you guys today to sit down and figure out what's next. What's next for me? What is next? After this coronavirus pass, what is it that I want to be doing? What is the first thing I'm going to do the day when they say it's okay, we cool to go outside, we cool to go back to regular? What's going to be your regular? What is going to be your regular after this? Because regular is not right now. This is not our regular program. This is not our regular routine. But when you able to go back to your regular routine, your regular life, please tell me what regular life is going to look like for you. What are you going to do to make the proper changes to get to where you want to go, or to feel better, or to do what it is that God told you to do? So for me, what regular life is going to look like for me when this is all over with, I'm going to be in that book. I'm going to be writing that book because my spirits is going to be in order. I'm going to be doing a lot of counseling sessions, lots of them. And I'm not going to say counseling sessions because I'm not a counselor, but I'm going to be doing a lot of workshops. I'm going to be talking to a lot of people. I'm going to be doing my weekly support groups. I'm going to be very active in the things that God placed on me to do, my assignment. I'm going to be doing more videos. I'm going to be more confident in who God called me to be when this is all over with. And for me, it's starting with forgiveness and unconditional love. And I'm excited. Y'all don't know how excited I am. Y'all don't understand that when you when you working on one thing, it's always another one after that. It's not never a time when you're gonna just work on one thing and that's gonna be it. I started I started out with forgiveness. And now when I'm almost done with forgiveness, I didn't realize that I need unconditional love in order to have forgiveness. So now I got to go on to something else. Once I really experience the unconditional love, it's going to be something else. You should always, always be ready to learn, to grow. And I am so excited because God is taking me somewhere I've never been before. All the other years of doing other things, I've mastered that. I can help other people in those areas because I've mastered those things. But where I'm at right now, I'm a student. I'm a student, and I'll be a teacher really soon. And don't never, ever, ever forget this. In order to be an effective leader, you have to follow. You have to follow, and you have to be a student while you're leading. It's the only way. You can't just be around here leading and ain't nobody leading you and guiding you. You have to. And I have people in my life that's guiding me on a day-to-day basis that's been through this already. I have God directing me. I have somebody I go and I talk to every week. Well, she actually is a counselor for real. So I'm still I am still getting help while I'm helping. And that's the way it's supposed to go. So my advice to you guys is to self-reflect today and figure out what it is that you need to be doing. So then when regular life starts back, you could be so much closer to where you need to be at in your life, or where you want to be, or where you're supposed to be at in your life. It's so important to plan, prepare, and preserve. And one more thing before I go, y'all. I am so excited. I did not yarn not one time in this video. And if y'all been following me for a long time, y'all know I yarn in every video. I'm talking about it. How many videos I didn't yarn in, y'all? I've been up since maybe 4. So you would think I'd be tired right now. I ain't yarn not one time. Can y'all help me with this? That's growth, right? I think I'm not nervous as I used to be. It's something with that yarning, but I have not yarned. And I'm so excited that I did not yarn not one time. You guys enjoy y'all day. And do not forget to smile at someone today. I don't care if it's your husband. I don't care if it's your kids. I don't care who it is. Smile and tell them I love you. I love you, and you get on my nerves. I love you. It is so awesome to be able to tell somebody I love you, because we don't know what's going to happen today. We don't know what's going to happen today. If you have to, call somebody you have not talked to in the last 2 weeks and tell them, you know what, I was thinking about you today. This girl said something on her live, her video, and I just wanted you to know I love you today. And that's it. And then what you doing, how you been, nothing. I love you. And I'm gonna talk to you later. Don't forget to do that. It's always a blessing to be a blessing to somebody in the most easiest way possible. And it's with a word. Y'all enjoy y'all day.